Hey everyone! Alright, today's video is going to be about finding the area of triangles. Your objective, I will be able to calculate the area of triangles. Alright, so let's talk about the parts of a triangle that we're really going to focus on today, and that is the height and the base. So the height is the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the line containing the opposite side. So you do not have to draw all of these pictures right here. This is just for you to see. But right here in this triangle, we have a vertex, and that's like the corner, and we have a line that goes from that down to this line, and see how it intersects perpendicularly with it. Now, the side that it intersects with is called the base. So as you can see in these other pictures, every base and height intersect perpendicularly. And then on this triangle right here, the height is shown on the outside. So whenever we find the area of a triangle, we take 1/2 of the base times the height, or you can think of it as base times height divided by 2. Because anytime you take half of something, you are simply dividing it by 2. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is identify the parts, so that would be the base and the height. Then we're going to write down the formula, substitute information into the formula, and solve. Alright, in example 1, we have this triangle. So we have a line right here that starts at this vertex, and it intersects perpendicularly with this side right here. So that means that the height equals 3 centimeters, and it intersects with this line, so the base would equal 8 centimeters. Alright, so area equals base times height divided by 2. So now I'm going to substitute that in. So the area equals a base of 8 times a height of 3 divided by 2. Now we're going to solve what's on the top line first. So make sure in every one of these area of a triangle problems, you're solving the top part first. So 8 times 3 equals 24. So that means the area equals 24 divided by 2, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So that would be 12 centimeters squared. Alright, example 2. On this triangle, we have a line that starts at this vertex and intersects with this side. So this is the height. So the height equals 5, and it intersects perpendicularly with this side. So the base would be 1.2. So our area formula for a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. So now we're going to plug in the numbers that we have. So area equals a base of 1.2 times a height of 5 divided by 2. Alright, I'm going to work this out on the side. 1.2 times 5. Now, you could think of this as it's just 12 times 5, which is 60. And then we have one decimal place, so it would be 6. So the area equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So the area would be 3 millimeters squared. Now I do want to point out that obviously this picture is not drawn to scale, but just bear with us. Alright, so now we're going to find the area of this triangle. So we are looking for a line that goes from a vertex, so we have this line right here, and it intersects perpendicularly with this side. So this would be the height. So the height equals 3.2. And it intersects perpendicularly with this side, so the base would be 8. And now we are going to write our formula for area of a triangle. Area equals base times height divided by 2. So area equals a base of 8 times a height of 3.2 divided by 2. So again, I am going to come over here off to the side to work out the multiplication. 3.2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25, and we have 1 decimal place. So the area equals 25.6 divided by 2. Alright, so again, I'm going to come over here to the side to work that out. Remember, top dog goes in the house. Alright, 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 5 2 times. We get 1 left over. And 2 goes into 16 8 times. So 25.6 divided by 2 would equal 12.8, and that would be inches squared. Okay, now it is time for you to try. Go ahead and pause and draw this triangle. Okay, once you have the triangle drawn, make sure that you answer your question in Educanon. Make sure that you have written down all of your notes and shown all of your work, and bring those with you to class next class day. All right, and that about wraps it up.